Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. So with this video, I have an important announcement. Me and Johnny Red, we are doing a random drawing. But to enter this drawing, there are 4 things that you need to do. What we will be giving away is 2 $250 gift cards. So one card, for 2 people. So everything that you need to do in this video will be down here in the description. And again, 4 things. So here is our website, Transparent Traders. If you don't know yet, we actually have a chat room in here that's free. It's right here as soon as you open it up. So just go up here to www.transparenttraders.me. Just remember the ME part. That's the only thing that's different. So, we have other things up here you can look at, but we ain't talking about that for this video. This is about you entering to make some money, or in hopes that you make some money. So, what we are looking at here, we are giving away 2 $250 gift cards when we hit 6 million views. Now, to look at the view counter, go down here at the bottom. We're almost there. I say, see, today is December 30th. I say there's a good chance we'll hit it by January the 2nd. So somewhere around in there, we should be hitting 6 million. Or I like to think at least. But so here's the view counter. $5.2 million, not dollars, I wish, sorry, 5.2 million views right now. And again, once it hits 6 million views, for everybody who does these 4 things, you'll be entered in this random drawing for a chance to win a $250 Visa gift card. So, what you need to do is, let's see, we'll start up here with my page. Go to YouTube, find my page, and subscribe to it. So once you subscribe, you can hit the little bell for notifications if you want to continue to get notified on my videos. If you don't hit the bell, for some reason YouTube doesn't promote the videos at times. Not sure why. So subscribe to my page. Then come over here to, this is Johnny Red, my partner, to his page. And subscribe to his as well. And make sure you hit the little bell if that's what you want. And then for this video, like and make a comment, just so we know. And we already know who our subscribers are already. Due to some things we got set up that can pull information. But we already know who is already subscribed to our pages. So for the ones who've already subscribed, if you watch this video, you obviously don't have to worry about that. You're already a couple steps ahead of the game. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel, to Johnny's YouTube channel, like and make a comment, and share the video. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And if you want to just keep up with this view counter, just come down here to our website and just see where it's at. But when it hits 6 million, we'll make an announcement, and for everybody who met that criteria, we're gonna, upload all that data and into. There's this website that does random drawings for things like this. So we're gonna upload all that data into that and select 2 people to get a $250 gift card or Visa gift card. So that's it. That's all you have to do. besides, following our YouTube channels, there's nothing you have to sign up for or anything like that. So, hey, I wish you guys the best of luck in this drawing. And, if we don't talk, for the ones I talk to, if we don't talk before the new year, I wish you a safe and happy new year. See you in 2019, and let's make some money. See you then.